Hi guys, it's Selena. I am trying to move my refrigerator, the one that does not work, right there, that one, out into my van so that I can take it to the salvage yard and get some cash for it. I'm guessing maybe $30, we'll see. I was trying to figure out if I should go through this door or the front door, which is the one that it's closer to. The thing about that is, the front door is wider, but if I go through that door, then I end up on a screen porch, and then I have to go through another door. But if I can get through this door, then I'm going to be able to just be right into the garage and get the vehicle loaded up right away because my garage door is open. So I'll show you what that looks like. Olivia made some measurements for me. She used the tape measurer, and so here we would be right outside right away. Immediate. And I've got the back opened up. I probably have to move at least one more seat, and I'm not actually sure where Olivia went. Maybe we should look for her. So I think if I can find out where she put the tape measurer or what the measurements were, maybe we can ask her quick. Oh, she's not over here. You know what, I think she went next door and she's hanging out with the dog. So let's go look for her over there. I see her coat on the ground. There. No puppy. Olivia! Where are you?
Trying to get Moses out of the tree?
Oh, well, come on over here.
Hey guys, do you want to see Moses in a tree?
Probably not right now. We're talking about getting the refrigerator moved.
Okay. That's cool.
So come on over here.
Sorry, it's just Moses in a tree. I don't know.
Okay, back to what we were talking about. We're gonna try this. Hopefully she'll help me.
Stay in the tree.
How did we get in the tree?
I put him in there
Why would you do that?
because I wanted to see if he would jump down. And then he didn't jump down. He just started looking at the birds.
Okay, so that door was how wide?
That
What was your measurement?
The measurement?
Do you remember?
No.
I moved the box with all the stuff in it.
I see that. I know that one door was wider.
Yes, this brown door here, this front door is wider.
Yes.
Okay, so now you have the tape measure.
My measurements. What do you want to do first, though, bro?
No, I know that that one's wide enough. I want to know if that blue one is wide enough.
The blue one is wide enough. It's just not as wide as.
But you're sure it's wide enough?
I think so. Yeah. 13.
No, it looks
I
like
mean
31. But you have it upside down. Okay, so how wide is the refrigerator?
Going sideways or front ways?
Sideways. Because I know how wide it is front ways.
29.
So
A 2-inch difference.
But we also have handles, right? Those stick out. You can't really measure it like that.
Hold on.
So we might have to
I know that.
go out the front door.
2 handles are 4 inches.
That's not the correct way to measure it, though.
And 4 inches
Here, honey, let me show you something.
times 30 inches is 32 inches. It's not wide enough either way.
Look, if you measure here, this is how we measure it. So it's 2 inches sticking out on top of how many inches across?
30.
31.
31.
Was it 30 or 31? Maybe it was 29. Come hold this.
What? This?
Okay. 29, almost 30. And how wide was the door?
2.
Was the door 31? What was 31? I think
Yes,
something was 31.
but I have to pee.
Aw, I lost my helper. I think we're going out the front door. Unless we take the doors off the refrigerator, and I don't think we're going to do that. So then the next door to measure is the sliding door, because if the sliding door is wide enough, then we're good to go. If it's not wide enough, then we might as well just take the doors off and go through the garage. So let's find out. Okay. If this door is all the way open, my opening is, uh-oh, 31. So no matter what, we're gonna have to go through a skinnier door. That means that we're not going that way, because that's too many doors to try to fit through. All right, well, I guess the garage door it is. Now, I have no idea how to take these things off. Well, I mean, I kind of had an idea. At least I thought I did. So, I already strapped my refrigerator on and my doors are shut. If I get all the way over there and I get stuck in the doorway, then I have more work to do. I usually just do it anyway, and then I usually get stuck in the doorway. What are we gonna do today? Oh, it popped off. Okay, so can you see that? So it looks like I can undo these. I need to pop this one off. That one is screwed on. So we're gonna have to unscrew that one and then pop it off. But we can do it. So let's give this a try. All right, I'm gonna grab my ladder. Okay, I have my ladder. I have my drill. I also have a feeling this is going to be more work than I thought. But at least I won't get stuck in the doorway. So there's all kinds of wires here, which is probably why that one was screwed on. Because of the refrigerator having the water system in it and having lights in it and stuff like that. So we want to just connect that.
Something I ate today didn't agree
And
with
we
my
want to make
stomach.
sure that we have your stomach.
Yeah.
Well, now you all know something didn't agree with her stomach. I want to make sure that I have the right tools to take this off.
I'm right here if you were wondering. It's hard to see me. Hi. I'll be back here. You can see me.
Olivia, I need a different tool.
A different tool. What tool do you need?
Well,
Do you need a different piece for the drill?
it looks like a hexagon.
You need a different drill bit?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like a hexagon.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I think I might know what you're talking about. Would just do it?
It's this side, not this side that I'm looking at. That one's going to be too big. Do you have a smaller one? You have to put that one back where you found it. That's how we know where they're at when we go to get them next time.
You need a smaller one?
I'm glad I have a helper. Yes, I need a smaller one. If you bring it here, I can just do it. I don't think that's any smaller. Oh, it is smaller. Hey, look at you. Okay, take that and put this in. Do you know which spot that goes in?
I'm thinking that it goes right here.
Woo! Better hold on to that. I already have my rope all the way around my refrigerator, so now I'm gonna have to take my rope off.
Why?
Like, I'm taking my doors off, so I have to redo my rope.
Oh, why are you taking the doors off?
Well, I measured, and even though the front door is wider than the door to the garage, the sliding glass door is not.
Oh. See, I think I measured the sliding glass door, last night.
Oops. This one isn't in the right spot.
Oh, got it.
Can
Yes!
Bend that out of the way.
What in the world are these wires for?
For the, what do you call it? A thingy. Majiggy.
The what do you call it? Thingy majig.
Yeah.
The ice maker?
Also, if there was a smaller
Piece?
thing, this has another one. Like if there was a smaller one of
A
these.
smaller hexagon?
Yeah, is there a smaller one?
Yes, there is. There's also a smaller one too.
May I see the small one?
See if that one will work.
Not small enough. Do we have a smaller one?
We have a smaller one, yes.
We do?
Yep.
Okay.
Number 1 or number 2, we have.
I just need a smaller one, honey. Here you go. Take this one and put this one where it goes. Make sure they go back into the same spots. So this one is too small.
Too small?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have one other one that is a little bigger.
So you have a size between the last one and this one?
Yes, I think that one could work. I hope.
Hey, good job.
That one works?
Looks like it.
Awesome.
Okay. There we go. Now I have to take the rope off because I didn't think through this at first. I was in a little bit of a hurry and now I'm trying to do it right.
Are we talking to kids or grown-ups right now?
Oh, whoever's listening.
Okay, do you want me to just set this down?
You can take the drill bit off of it and put it away because we're not going to be putting it back together.
Why wouldn't I?
Well, we're not going to put it back together because we're just taking it to the salvage yard. So now I have to remove my rope.
That sucks.
It's okay. It's just a rope. It is okay.
I took the drill bit piece off.
Our life will be easier if we do it better.
Since Mom is kind of busy, I guess I'll say hello. Hi, I'm Olivia, if you don't know. And soon coming, my mom.
I keep coming around because I'm
Selena.
unwinding.
And
I think that's good for now. You think these will come off pretty easy?
I don't know.
What's going on at the bottom?
There's another one.
Does it just like slide out? Can you look?
Hold on, don't drop it.
Oh, I won't drop it. What's it look like?
Just slide it off. Yep.
Just
go
pull it up?
higher.
It
Higher.
feels like it's connected.
Keep going higher. Just keep going higher and you'll get it.
Honey, it's stuck.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Is that a wire?
That's a wire.
See, I told you it was stuck.
So we need that drill piece again.
No, we just are going to take this one off first. Ta-da.
That one's not stuck?
No, because it doesn't have the water line in it. Remember?
Now I will remember that.
Phew. Doesn't smell the greatest.
Smells like ranch.
No. I don't know if it smells like ranch, but it definitely smells like
Rotten something.
warm refrigerator.
Let me can't salvage it. Maybe the viewers want to see my Barbie's dress.
Probably not yet. Wait till another time. Because right now this is what we're doing and we don't want to confuse things. Okay. Phew. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this again.
Maybe we should put on some music.
Since this refrigerator is going to the dump, I don't really care what happens to the bottom. And maybe that's bad because somebody else might go get it from the dump and want to fix it. But I guess that's something we'll figure out later. Hey, Olivia.
Yeah.
How big are your muscles?
I
I bet they're big enough to hold that. Can you carry that out for me?
Carrot?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. An 8-year-old carrying a refrigerator.
Where's your shoes?
9-year-old. They're
Yeah, did you forget you were 9? Grab your shoes.
Kind of.
Let that be. Grab your shoes.
Okay.
Now, when you get out there, don't put it in the car yet because I have to put the big part in first, okay?
Okay.
Just set it up against something.
Like
off
the
to
deep
side.
freeze.
Yeah, as long as it's not in the way. Can you do it? Look at you. How are those muscles? I don't know how many 9-year-olds have muscles like that.
Heavy.
You don't think it's heavy?
No.
Okay. It's not heavy. Let's go back to trying to get this door off. Okay. This is how we work together as a team.
And as I
Anything?
said, it's not.
Can we do anything?
You could unscrew it and have the that go with it.
Couldn't I just like? Couldn't I?
You don't want to cut it though.
Why can't I cut it? That's what I was just wondering. Couldn't I just cut it?
Well, that might.
I mean, I really could cut it, right?
If you want.
No, like with wire cutters or something,
Should
right?
we cut it? Maybe we should cut it. I think we're gonna cut it. I don't know if it's a good idea though. Might not be a good idea. Whoa! They should make fridges that just have open doors.
Well, these are gardening cutters, but they're gonna do the job today.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of? Okay. Sometimes you just use what's available. Okay.
That was
And
to the water.
we're done. Yeah, but honey, we don't use the water anymore. It doesn't work. The refrigerator doesn't work. But guess what I have for you?
Another door.
Another door.
That has a working light bulb in it.
Ooh, whoops. And we might need a little rag because apparently when you cut the water, it leaks. That's okay. See that bucket over there?
Yeah.
Grab that for a second. This isn't much. It's just a little tiny bit.
Yes, it'll leak. It's water.
Ta-da. There.
It's a water bucket, Mom.
There. Now would you please take this door
Yes, I'll take
to
the
the
door.
garage while I put the rope back on the rest of the fridge. Do you need help opening the garage door?
No.
You sure?
Yep.
Olivia, you're like awesome.
Why?
Because you're helpful and you're learning a lot.
Thanks.
This is a whole different way of homeschooling, but it's still lessons.
Ew. Daisy, you're too slobbery.
Poor girl. She was enjoying her water and she doesn't even know how slimy she is. Okay, so now we're going to put the rope back around the refrigerator. We don't want that bucket in the way.
I lost a tooth recently and I went to bed with it sideways, so now I have this spot where there's a dent and I'm licking it and it hurts.
When I hear you talk about a dent, I think of a denty floor.
Denty 4.
That's her math word for 24.
Denty floor. 24.
Can you
I
take
think
that?
I can carry this whole refrigerator at this time.
You can't see us very good, can you? Okay, let me see this. be okay. We might just be able to do this. Okay, people, if we can do this, you can do it. Because I'm just guessing a lot.
What if you have a 9-year-old daughter that's as strong as me?
And
I'm not that strong.
I was also thinking, my 21-year-old son, he was texting me last night. I was asking him for his help, but then when I said, what time can you come? I have not heard back.
So, she's using her 9-year-old daughter.
No, we're just improvising. He also works a lot, so we gotta give him credit.
Gotta be ready to work.
I'm just saying, sometimes the people that you think might be available might not be, and that's okay.
So don't give up and call a daughter or son or someone you know, or do it yourself.
Okay, I'm either really good at this or I'm not. We're about to find out. Olivia,
I didn't know that worked. Yep.
I need to tip this, and I don't want to hurt you.
Yep. I'm out of the way.
Lesson 1, take the screws off the top.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
These, they were jiggling. Okay. So, we're going to give you a little bit of a different view. I'm going to have Olivia open the door for me. Ooh. I have to get this thing around the corner. I'm going to turn it around. So, hopefully you can see that take place. We'll get you like that. And Olivia is going to be my helper on the door side of it. This might be too heavy for our new little cart.
I can tell the wheels are collapsing.
What? What do we do now?
One of the wheels is flat.
Only because it's putting so much pressure on it.
Okay.
What do I do?
Put it down.
Wait, is that because you were running it around outside? Like, is that wheel actually not right? I actually have a flat wheel. I actually have a flat wheel. We got a cart with a flat wheel. Either we bought a cart with a flat wheel or something. I don't even know what.
Well, when you were tipping it, most of the fridge, you could see it tipping this way, kind of.
Yeah, but this wheel is flat.
Do you
should not be able to push on the wheel like that. When we bought this, we should have checked the wheels.
Do you have an air pump?
No.
We have hands.
I don't have an air pump, honey. What do you mean we have hands?
You could pick it up.
We just got this cart from Menards, and now we have to go back to Menards. Well, we might not get this refrigerator to the dump today. It's not your fault. I should have checked the wheels when we were at Menards. We just grabbed a cart. So the lesson today is check the wheels before you take your cart home.
Yeah. Are there wheels on the fridge?
We did get our doors off. We have gotten a little bit accomplished, but we're not going to get this out the door today. I have to go to work, and the dump is going to close. So at very best, we might get it to the garage later, and we maybe will be able to show you guys that much, but it'll have to go to the dump tomorrow.
We could try and get it to the garage.
But we have a flat.
No.
We need to go back and get one without a flat.
Oh.
Yeah. We can't do it with a flat. We'll ruin the cart.
Sucks.
That's life. You just get to watch us living our lives. So, share,
subscribe.
thumbs down on the video, I guess, because we didn't do anything except take off doors. Oh, you could thumbs up our doors. We took our doors off.
And make sure to turn on bell notifications and share to a friend.
Yep.
Bye.
See you guys.